Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious quinoa laddu using an easy method. First, rinse 1 cup of quinoa very well under cold water to get rid of any bitterness. Then, dry roast the rinsed quinoa in a pan over medium heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure to stir it constantly until it becomes fragrant and turns a nice, light golden brown. This step is crucial for a great flavor. Once your roasted quinoa has cooled down completely, grind it into a fine powder using a blender or food processor. Next, separately grind 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. These add wonderful texture and flavor. Now, combine the quinoa powder, the ground peanuts, and the sesame seeds in a large mixing bowl. This forms the base of our laddu. Now, let's prepare the jaggery syrup. In a small pan, melt 1/2 cup of jaggery with 2 tablespoons of water over medium heat. Stir continuously until the jaggery dissolves and the mixture thickens into a sticky syrup. This usually takes a few minutes. Once it's ready, immediately pour the hot jaggery syrup over your dry quinoa mixture and mix everything thoroughly. While the mixture is still warm, lightly grease your hands with a little ghee or oil. This will prevent the mixture from sticking. Now, take small portions of the mixture and gently press and roll them into firm, round lattice, aiming for about 1.5 inches in diameter. Let them cool completely to set. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, healthy quinoa lattice.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.